This is our TrapMan Pro Gold Feral cat trap. That features a clear rear sliding door to let your cat out. Make sure you put a cable tie or you tie it down with something just in case the trap tips over. Right, setting it, press the lever back and down, opens the door, put your hand inside the door, push the cage door to the top of the cage, press the setting lever which is attached to the treadle at the end, forward all the way, let the cage door go, trap's now set. You want a good bit of his favourite cat food on there. Press the card underneath the trap, not inside it, underneath the trap. Let the cat food come up through the bars inside. Cat comes along, tries to access the bait, stands on the tread plate, a secure lock on the door. You can let him out through the sliding door at the end.